All right, Grandma. So we're gonna go ahead. Now listen, just listen. Now we're gonna add in the special, that special stuff right there. That's how we're gonna get this little thing going. We'll make sure the butter and the garlic and all that stuff is all good. Okay, I got it. All right, Grandma. So we're gonna go ahead and lay these crab legs in.
Wait. Put it in there, Jimmy. Let's do it again. Now, when you place it in there, do it nice and slow. You want to make sure you don't lose none of that meat on it, because that meat is expensive.
Okay, I got it.
Now, listen. Now, go ahead and pick that up and turn it over. Yeah, turn it over and put it back in that juice over there.
Oh, I'm sorry, Grandma.
Don't drop any stuff. Now, that meat is expensive now. Don't be playing with my meat.
No, I got it, Grandma. I got it.
Well, you acting like you're nervous or something.
Well, I am kind of nervous because you're making me like.
Just listen. Okay, now, go put that back in the sauce over there. Yeah, we want to sop it on up in there to make sure it's all smacked up. That's how we do it. Now, let it cook for like about 10 minutes. Now, look at that. Now, when it's all done, it looks like this. When the juices and all that seasonings and herbs and all that stuff goes into the crab legs, just go in all up in there.
It just looks so good, Grandma. It was just the best.
Well, you know what? I just want to say, if you listen is learning. Learning is listening. And it goes a long way. You got to take your time when you're making your food, because you want that food and the elegance and the flavors to go all throughout.
Yes, I understand that.
Yes, and then you like, it just tastes like no other.
Exactly, Grandma.
I'm going to show you how to get a man. I'm going to show you.
Grandma, I already have a man.
Well, I know. I'm just trying to help other people out there that need help, okay? Because there's a lot of men out there, they like a woman that know how to cook. I mean, down home cooking.
I understand that.
That's why you married.
Yeah, I know, Grandma.
Yeah, I ain't playing.
I know, Grandma. I really appreciate it.
But anyway, if y'all like my granddaughter's cooking and from Granny's Kitchen, I want you guys to go ahead, like, share, and subscribe below, because we have a lot more that's coming to you. That I think what we're going to do next,
We're going to show you guys how to clean shrimps.
Oh, no, scamps, okay?
Oh, okay, we're going to learn how to teach you guys how to clean shrimps. Okay, scrimps, Grandma.
Yeah, that's right. Y'all stay tuned. Bye.